Standard 5th, Subject English, Topic Answer the question. My English Book 5, page number 19. Say what the people and animals in the picture are doing and then answer the question. तस्वीर में लोग और जानवर क्या कर रहे हैं, कहिए और सवालों के जवाब दीजिए। First of all, we have to see the characters in this picture. There are a young woman, an old woman, a young man, a child, or a lady who is selling flowers. Champa is selling flowers at the bus stop. Now the question is, who bought the flowers? Flowers किसने खरीदे? Now an old woman pinned some flowers in her juda. So the answer is, an old woman bought the flowers. Now in this picture, there are some characters like parrot, monkey, a girl, buffalo, or a boy who is selling guavas. Subhan is taking guavas to the market. Now, who took the guavas? Guavas किसने लिए? Monkey took the guavas. How you recognize that monkey took the guavas? In this picture, monkey is hiding something in his mouth. It shows that monkey took the guavas. Now in this picture, Sonu and Monu are busy in watching TV. There are two characters too, cat and dog. Sonu and Monu are busy in watching TV. So the question is, who drank the milk? दूध किसने पिया? Now cat drank the milk. How we can say? This picture shows us cat is wiping her mouth. So we can say cat drank the milk. Now in this picture, there are Magan. Magan and his gardener are looking for Magan's ring. मगन और उसके साथ माली जो है वो मगन की रिंग ढूंढ रहे हैं. Now what is the question? Who found the ring? रिंग किसको मिली? Now in this picture, a crow has a ring in his beak. So the right answer is, crow found the ring.